Now we will start exercise number 11.5. So here this exercise is differentiate with the logarithm. This is the logarithm differentiation. बेटा ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में क्या आएगा? We have a हाँ जी मैम बेटा वही है यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आपके पास लॉगरिथम डिफरेंशिएशन. लॉगरिथम डिफरेंशिएशन मींस कि वी हैव अ वेरिएबल पावर वेरिएबल्स. इफ एनी क्वेश्चन यू सी कि वेरिएबल पावर वेरिएबल इज हियर, then if you see variable power variable is here, then we taking log on both side. We have a two method to solve this, taking log on both side. Firstly we do with this one question taking log, and second one मैं दोनों ही मेथड आपको बताऊंगी. जो भी बेटा आपको ठीक लगे उसी मेथड से आप कर लेना. ठीक है, मतलब क्वेश्चन हमारे पास क्या होगा, जैसे हम सबसे फर्स्ट नंबर क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं. वी हैव अ एक्स सिंपली क्वेश्चन. if x differentiate with respect to x, x raised to power x differentiate with respect to x. तो नाउ जो हमने बेटा पहले फॉर्मूला किया है दैट इज x raised to power n only, means variable power constant. If we have a variable power constant, then we have a formula n into x raised to power n minus 1. But if we have a variable raised to power variable, then firstly let this is equals to x raised to power x. I do this question in two ways. जो आपको ठीक लगे उस मेथड से आप इसको कर लेना. ठीक है, सो फर्स्टली इफ वेरिएबल पावर वेरिएबल इज हियर, तो देन बेटा टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड, टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. सो log y is equals to log of x raised to power x. Beta, you all know that in 11th class you do one formula. If x raised to power any log x raised to power any value is here, whether it is a constant, whether it is a variable, whether it is an exponential, any power x raised to power n here, which is equals to log x. This is the formula of log x raised to power n. So how here we apply log of y is equals to x log ऑफ x. तो ये वाला x है वो बिना डिफरेंशिएट के इसके आगे आ जाता है. ठीक है, नाउ वी डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. so log y which is equals to 1 by y dy by dx, because the derivative of log y is equals to 1 by y and the derivative of y is equals to dy by dx. now beta ki differentiate this function with the product rule. so x is as it is, the derivative of log x is equals to 1 by x. So log x is as it is and the derivative of 1 is equal x is equals to 1. Now we have a 1 by y dy by dx is equals to, this one is cancelled, 1 plus log of x. So now dy by dx is equals to y. This y become in right hand side y into log of x. Now put the value of y here. So we have beta dy by dx is equals to x raised to power x into 1 plus log x. This is your answer. Beta, anyone tell me, and have you any doubt in this question? If variable power variable is here, then just taking the log of this question. Beta, have you any doubt? Anyone tell me? All of you clear? Any student बेटा have शुभ, सुरिंदर सिंह, सहजप्रीत, सलोनी, बेटा किसी भी बच्चे को, ईशा, हिमांशु, गीता, हिमानी, कमलदीप, परमप्रीत, बेटा डाउट है किसी भी बच्चे को? ओके, तो अब हम इसका सेकंड मेथड कर रहे हैं कि इसको अगर आपने दूसरे तरीके से सॉल्व करना हो तो वो क्या मेथड है. ठीक है, जो भी आपको ठीक लगे आप उस मेथड से कर लेना. आपको ये चीज पता है कि बेटा ई और लॉग है, कहीं पे भी आ जाता है दैट इज 1 के इक्वल होता है। अगर ई और लॉग इकट्ठा आता है तो वो 1 के इक्वल होता है। तो मैं इस चीज को लिख सकती हूँ ई रेज टू पावर लॉग ऑफ एक्स रेज टू पावर एक्स बनेगा ये वही, इसमें ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि क्वेश्चन कुछ डिफरेंट बनेगा, ऐसे ही बनेगा, इसको आप हमने सॉल्व करना है। ठीक है, क्या मैं इस चीज को इस तरीके से आप दोनों से बता देना कि कौन सा मेथड ठीक है, मैं उसी मेथड से बाकी हम क्वेश्चंस कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ठीक है, सो हम मैंने क्या किया, x को e रेज टू पावर समथिंग लिख दिया, अगर इसकी वैल्यू भी पुट करेंगे तो वे ये सेम यही आएगा। ठीक है, तो इस मींस y इज इक्वल्स टू e रेज टू पावर log x रेज टू पावर x। ठीक है, now taking differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, e raised the derivative of e raised to power x is equals to e raised to power x. Now taking the derivative of power also, so log of x raised to power x. Now dy by dx is equals to e raised to power log x raised to power x. Here this become x is x here, so log of x. Now again we differentiate with respect to, now again we differentiate, 1 second. So beta, now take differentiate. So this is this one is a 1. So we have x raised to power x only. So taking differentiate with the product rule, x as it is, the derivative of log x is equals to 1 by x. Then log x as it is, and the derivative of x is equals to 1. So this term is cancelled. Now we have beta dy by dx is equals to x raised to power x 1 plus log of x. So same answer is there. If you want just taking log on both side, then also this answer is there. If you apply this one formula is here, it's up to you, दोनों में से आंसर में कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा। कौन से मेथड से स्टार्ट करना है बेटा, वो मैं उसी मेथड से कोई कंटिन्यू करूंगी जो आपको ठीक लगे। एनीवन टेल मी, ऑल ऑफ यू टेल मी कि फर्स्ट वन मेथड इज ओके और सेकंड वन मेथड इज ओके।
First one.
Any more student, please tell me your views.
Ma'am,
First one.
One is
Ma'am, first.
all of you done with the first one. So I think अगर किसी को फिर भी कोई डाउट है तो वो सेकंड से करना चाहता है तो नो वरी, मैं उससे भी करवा दूंगी। ठीक है, so now we have a beta second one question here. We start, let firstly any question you let with x raised to power sin x. ठीक है, so here variable power variable, because sin of x is also a variable, so we just take the log, taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides. So if we take log on both sides, so log y is equals to log of x raised to power sin of x. Here we apply same formula. If log x raised to power n is here, so this is equals to n log of x. So now log of y is equals to sin of x and log of x here. Then again differentiate with respect to x, and in right hand side we apply the product rule. So here 1 by y, and the derivative of y is equals to dy by dx. Now apply the product rule. You all, if you want to take this one is first function, this one is first function, is up to you. No variation in answer. So first as it is sin x, and the derivative of log x is equals to 1 by x. Then log x as it is, and beta the derivative of sin of x is equals to cos of x. Now we have a 1 by y dy by dx, which is equals to sin of x by x plus log of x into cos of x. Now beta we have a dy by dx is equals to y into sin of x by x plus log of x into cos of x. Now put the value of y. So dy by dx is equals to x raised to power sin of x and sine of x upon x plus log of x cos of x. If you want to more simplify, you can also do this one, log of x. If answer is here, then it's sufficient. If you want to more simplify, then take the LCM of this one. Okay, so can I write here in this way? Is it okay कि after this one step beta कि I do this? So x power 1 is here. If we put in numerator, then x raised to power sin x and x raised to power minus 1 is here. So base are same. So we add the power. So x raised to power sin x minus 1. Sin of x minus 1. Is it okay to everyone beta? Anyone, any student have doubt?
No, ma'am.
All of you clear beta कि how we solve the variable power variable? These questions are beta uh, up to I think 20 number 18 number question, 18 number question तक जो नहीं sorry 18 नहीं, इस 17 तक जो क्वेश्चन है बेटा वो आपके इसी सेम ही है. इस तरीके से ही आपने 17 तक क्वेश्चन है वो करने हैं. ठीक है, नाउ हम कुछ और एग्जांपल्स भी लेते हैं. जैसे हम कोई भी y इज इक्वल्स टू साइन ऑफ x raised to power log of x. Here one more example is variable raised to power variable. ठीक है, so again taking log on both side, log y is equals to log of sin x into log of x. Now this log put in front. So log y, log of x, don't be confused with the two logs. So this is a one function, this is a second one function. Log is not only one function. Log, any trigonometrical or any algebraic or any exponential function is here, then this is a function. Only log is not useful for any in any place. So we differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, 1 by y dy by dx. Now taking the product rule here. So beta log x as it is. The derivative of log sin x. Anyone beta tell me the derivative of log sin x? 1 by sin of x, because the derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Very good beta. And the derivative of sin of x is equals to cos of x. Okay, so next is log of sin of x as it is, and the derivative of log x is equals to 1 by x. Now beta we have 1 by y dy by dx is equals to log of x, cos by sin is equals to cot of x, plus log of sin of x by x. Now beta we have a dy by dx is equals to y into log of x cot of x plus log of sin of x by x. If you want to just simplify more, then take the LCM, otherwise put the value of y here. Is it clear to everyone beta? This one question, is it clear to everyone? All of you please tell me beta. Kamaldeep, Parampreet, Jeenam, Jasnoor, Atri, Isha, Himanshu, Himani, Ashdeep, beta, please, anyone have any doubt in any question?
No, ma'am.
All of you clear? Jasnoor, Atri, Jasnoor, you have no response. Please tell me beta. Himani, Himanshu Singla, beta, please tell me. Jia, Rimpi, Saloni, Shubham, all of you clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Beta. Now one different question is there, because I know that tomorrow you have this doubt also. Beta 12 number question is here, 10 raised to power 10 raised to power x. So here not a variable raised to power variable. Here constant raised to power variable. Constant raised to power constant, then raised to power variable. Here the question is y is equals to constant raised to power constant raised to power variable. ठीक है? So beta we all know that कि if constant raised to power variable is here, because if constant raised to power constant raised to power variable is here, then we apply this one formula also, a raised to power x these all you set up x only, because if 10 raised to power 10 raised to power 10 is here, then the derivative is equals to 0. But now variable is here, so we never apply this one formula ki variable raised to sorry, constant raised to power constant is here, so we put the this one is equals to 0. ठीक है बेटा? So no, you write in this way, we just apply the formula variable constant raised to power variable. So you all know that beta, a raised to power x is equals to a raised to power x and log of a, then the derivative of power also. So power we have a x, so no need to write here, we write only 1. So we have a formula a raised to power x and log of a. Now we apply y is equals to 10 raised to power x. So beta differentiate with respect to x, a raised to. So this is here all x. A raised to power x is equals to firstly a raised to power x. Now the and log of, sorry beta, and this one is log of 10 and also derivative of 10 raised to power x. So we again apply formula, same formula here. So beta dy by dx is equals to 10 raised to power 10x and log of 10, then the derivative of constant raised to power variable is a raised to power x as it is, then log of a. So 10 raised to power x is as it is and log of 10. Now we have beta 10 raised to power 10 raised to power x and 10 raised to power x, then log of x raised to power whole square. Is it clear to everyone beta? Just see and tell me ki have beta, tell me, have you any doubt in this question? Have any student have any doubt beta?
मैम स्टार्टिंग में आपने ए कौन सा लिया जब डिफरेंशिएट किया?
बेटा स्टार्टिंग में
यस मैम, जो आपने फर्स्ट स्टेप में डिफरेंशिएट किया है dy और dx इज इक्वल्स टू 10 रेज्ड पावर, ये वाली लाइन में मैम हमारा ए क्या है कंपेयर करें अगर फॉर्मूला से?
बेटा दिस इज वी अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला a raised to power x, है ना? So this is not a x, this is also a raised to power x, है ना? So we consider this is a x, because तभी ये सॉल्व होगा अगर हम कांस्टेंट रेज टू पावर वेरिएबल करेंगे तो फर्स्ट ही ये 0 बन जाएगा. तो दिस इज योर a raised to power x as it is, this is your a raised to power x. So इसलिए मैंने इसको एज इट इज लिखा. देन उसके पास क्या होता है log a, तो log a कितना है हमारा, दैट इज 10, तो log 10 बन गया. देन हमने उसकी पावर का डेरिवेटिव भी लेना होता है, तो पावर कितनी है, दैट इज 10 रेज टू पावर x. क्लियर बेटा?
यस मैम.
Tell me clear, if you have doubt then I again solve this question. You have clear beta? We do one more question.
स्टार्टिंग में
Beta, we do one more
बस
related to this.
ओके मैम.
Okay, we one just wait. We have a question number 10 also, same way. 10 number question. Here y is equals to 10 raised to power log of sine of x. So here constant raised to power variable. We just, if the variable raised to power variable is here, then we apply the log on both sides. But here beta, constant raised to power variable. Then we have one separate formula for this question is, if a raised to power x is here, then a raised to power x and log of a, then the derivative of power also. Okay? So we apply this formula, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx. Now a raised to power x is equals to a raised to power x is as it is, log of sine of x as it is, then log of a. So here a is a 10, then log of 10 and also derivative of log of sine of x and the derivative of log of sine x. Now we apply log of sine of x. Beta, firstly tell me ki in second step, have any student have any doubt? In second step, sorry, in first step. In first step, all students here. Now beta, log of 10, the derivative of log sine x is 1 by sine of x and the derivative of sine of x is equals to cos of x. Now we have beta 10 raised to power log of sine of x and log of 10, then this is equals to cot of x. Now we have our dy by dx is equals to this one. Beta only you can see ki if variable power variable is there, then you apply the formula of taking log on both sides. Otherwise, you just proceed with the previous formulas. Clear beta?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you clear? Now in this we have also a different question beta, that is a 13th number question. Y is equals to sine of x raised to power x. Here beta, these two questions are different. Anyone tell me this one question and this one question, is it same or different? These two questions are same or different? If it is same, then why it is same? If it is different, then why it is different? Beta see the
हम सेम है.
same. बेटा सेम है और डिफरेंट है?
हम सेम है.
हिमानी बेटा टेल मी डिफरेंट है. तो सेम पहले तो आपने गीता बताया आपने कि ये डिफरेंट है, तो हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट? एंड हिमानी आपने बताया कि ये सेम है. उसके बाद आप अपना आंसर सोच के रखो कि हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट. सेम है. हाँ जी गीता टेल मी कि हाउ इट इज सेम.
हम बिकॉज फर्स्ट फंक्शन में भी x के ऊपर पावर है और सेकंड में भी हम x के ऊपर ही x पावर है.
ठीक है. अब मैं इस क्वेश्चन को बेटा x रेज टू पावर x लिख रही हूँ. अब
हम नो में भी डिफरेंट है.
अब दोनों ये दोनों और ये वाला क्वेश्चन सेम है?
नो मैम.
अब बेटा आपने किसने बोला था? हिमानी बेटा इन फर्स्ट x इज पावर होल फंक्शन. बेटा दिस इज नॉट अ पावर ऑफ होल फंक्शन. हिमानी बेटा कि दिस इज नॉट, इफ द पावर ऑफ होल फंक्शन इज देयर देन आई पुट द ब्रैकेट. These two are same beta, first and second are same. Here is also x raised to power x and here is also एंगल. मैंने जस्ट उसमें ब्रैकेट लग डाल दी. अगर होल फंक्शन की पावर होती तो वो होल पे ब्रैकेट होता. आप सारे क्वेश्चंस में चेक करोगे बेटा जो 1 से लेके आपके क्वेश्चंस है जिसमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल है, तो अगर वो होल की पावर है तो उन्होंने होल के ऊपर साइन एक्स रेज टू पावर कॉस एक्स लिखा हुआ है. ऐसे तो नहीं लिखा हुआ साइन एक्स रेज टू पावर कॉस एक्स. इसका मतलब एंगल की पावर है, बट इसका मतलब है पूरे फंक्शन की पावर है. तो 1 and 2 are same but 3 is a different. Himani beta clear कि how these two function are different? Tell me beta Himani, are you clear? Okay. Now beta कि what is here? Now anyone tell me कि beta here we apply the formula variable raised to power variable in sin x raised to power x, or different formula is there? Here variable power variable is present here or not?
नो मैम.
No. Beta who tell me no please? You are right, not a wrong, but who tell me कि this is a
गीता मैम.
how कि हम इसमें अप्लाई क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं वेरिएबल रेज टू पावर वेरिएबल?
मैम बिकॉज हम साइन के ऊपर नहीं है, ये पावर ओनली x के ऊपर है.
ओनली एक्स के ऊपर है. दिस इज नॉट फॉर वेरिएबल रेज टू पावर वेरिएबल. अगर बेटा ये साइन एक्स रेज टू पावर एक्स होता तो देन हम इसको अप्लाई करते. अदरवाइज ये हमारे पास एंगल के ऊपर है, तो इसका मतलब हमें अलग से इसका कोई प्रोसीजर देखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. सो ये है हमारा क्वेश्चन. ठीक. सो नाउ साइन एक्स, तो इसको आप एक्स मान के चलोगे. नाउ दिस इज योर एक्स. साइन ऑफ एक्स, द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ साइन ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू cos of x. cos of x. Now we again find the derivative of angle. Here अब हम इस पे अप्लाई करेंगे लॉगरिथम वाला. ठीक है. अब हम इसको क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा सेपरेट लिख लेंगे और इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. इसको हम मानेंगे कि इस पूरी चीज को, इसको मैंने मान लिया u के इक्वल है. Now u is equals to x raised to power x. Now taking log on both sides, log u is equals to log x raised to power x. So log u is equals to x into log of x. Now again find the derivative 1 by u du by dx. ये हमने पहले ही क्वेश्चन किया हुआ था ना, ये वही वाला है बेटा, इसका चाहे आप सीधा रिजल्ट भी लिख देते। तो बस इसका आंसर मैं डायरेक्टली लिख रही हूँ बिकॉज वी हैव अ लेस 1 मिनट। आपने अगर इसके बाद बेटा क्वेश्चन है वो अप टू 17 तक डाउट्स लेके आने हैं, ठीक है। इसको मैं एक बार सॉल्व कर रही हूँ। सो वी हैव अ डी यू बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू यू इंटू 1 प्लस लॉग ऑफ एक्स। ये आ जाएगा, पुट दी वैल्यू ऑफ यू एक्स रेज टू पावर एक्स log of x. Now these values put in this one. Now we have a beta dy by dx is equals to cos of x raised to power x and x raised to power x and 1 plus log of x. This is your answer.